Hello guys, welcome to hi guys, welcome to another video like this. So please like and smash the bell and let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to another video like this video. Please the like button, smash the bell and let's get into the video. Guys, firstly, sorry for not posting videos more than 1.5 months because I didn't get time to shoot video and I was so sorry for that. And after a long time I'm taking a video. So in this video the video clarity will be definitely low. I think you can notice it already because I'm shooting on my iPad camera. iPad's camera are not meant for taking videos because I'm not having proper camera now. So this is the only camera I have now to shoot this. So let's do. Come on, let's start the unboxing. This is a iPhone phone cover, iPhone 11 cover. You know, right? I have an iPhone 11. I mean, unboxing feels so good. Packing is so bad because it takes a lot of time. Hey, I can see you're inside. It's oh sorry guys if you was unable to see because this iPad camera range is so low so that I can't. Okay, here it comes. How's it? Good, right? I mean, in the review photos we saw that they gave a case, like proper case. I mean, like a transparent case, like a Apple original case. In this it's like this. I don't know. I think let's open and see. First, there should not be any damage. What is the MRP? Let's see the MRP in this. I think there's no MRP in this. No. Hey, let's unbox. Man, it feels so good. Not that great quality, obviously. And Apple original cases are how much? 3,500 to 3,000. This is $499. This is what you get for $499. You don't want to expect more. This you get a soft at back which prevents scratch in your phone. Oh man, the red color. I love that color. Those who don't know, I love red color. I wanted iPhone 11 red color, but I got a black color. I think it will be perfect. And this housing, this charging port housing is exactly like the original Apple case. It's plastic, I think, and we get a silicone. In reviews they told it's so slippery. I think I don't feel it's that slippery. I mean, I feel it's grippy. And power button over here for the silent mode. Apple logo, I think you can see. Oh, this lighting, yeah, Apple. Nice, that's it. I mean, I saw another box in the review photo, so I expected that box, but okay, we got the case right. That's enough, and that's it. That's a bill. That's a bill over here. That's it. Nothing much in this. They have written that focus. Standard protection, shock absorption, lightweight, rubber for flex, and oh, is it rubber? Yeah. Inside, at back it's plastic, but yeah, that's good, man. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll meet you in the next video. Till that, stay safe. Bye bye.